So you just seeing the Netflix update required message on your smart TV and can't open it because there's no update option showing. Don't worry, let's fix this together. So first, if you're getting that prompt, it clearly means your Netflix app needs to be updated. So the first method is to open the Google Play Store. You can search for it directly from your TV or use the microphone button on your remote. So if you can find the Play Store on your TV or there's no update option there, just go back to the home screen and highlight the Netflix app. Don't open it, just press and hold the OK button on your remote, or you maybe see the three horizontal line until a menu appears. Then choose View Details or App Info, and from there you should see the update option. Just select it and let the update finish. After that, open Netflix again and it should work normally. And that's it. This should fix the Netflix update record problem on your any smart TV. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Netflix tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.